Today I'm going to show you a store robbery script created by this person. Players rob the register and have a chance to get a code for the safe. If they don't, they have to hack the computer and they can then get in. It supports multiple frameworks and has a lot of customization options, so you can set it up for your server's needs. I hope you enjoy the video. First, click the link in the description that takes you to the resource. Once you're there, you can see a preview, features, and dependencies. I will mention Oxlib is a dependency, so make sure you have it installed properly. So go ahead and download it by going to the latest under releases and downloading the first one here. Once it's done, open it up and open your server resources and add it in. I'm putting it in a folder that's already insured, so make sure it's starting after the dependencies. And once you've done that, go to the resource folder and open the config. Enable the first option if you want, then I'll go down to the setup starting with the interact. The available options are in the commented out text for this and every option, so I'll change it to QB target. Next to the notification and progress bar, I'm going to leave them the same. Then there's an option to be notified when there's an update available, and an option for metadata. If you're using marked bills, leave this to true. Then there are cooldown options. The first one is a player cooldown, and the second is a global cooldown, and both are in seconds. The global cooldown applies to all stores, so if a player robs the store in Innocence, a different player wouldn't be able to rob the store in Little Soul until the cooldown is over. And of course, the regular cooldown is player by player, so adjust as you want. The next section is for police. You have the option to need them or not, and the amount needed. Then you have the police jobs in the dispatch system. So if your police job has a different name, add it here. And for the dispatch, I'm going to change it to PS dispatch. And the risk option is for the payout. If it's enabled, the payout will increase by the percentage set. The next section is for the registers. You have the item needed and the minigame. The current minigame is the Oxlib skill check. You can change the difficulty by changing easy to medium. And you can change what's pressed during it. You can also change the minigame altogether if you don't like the circle. Then you have the reward item. I'm going to change it to marked bills. And you have the minimum and maximum amounts. Then you have the chance the lockpick will break if the players fail, and the chance to get the code for the safe from the register. The next section is for the computer hack. You have the max attempts, the option to use the questionnaire, and the minigame. The minigame is the same as the register, and the questionnaire is of course questions the players would have to answer. Next are the safe options. You have the max attempts and the rewards, so I'm going to change this to marked bills as well. Next are the questions for the questionnaire if you chose to enable that. Then you have the animations and the locations for the stores. If you made changes, be sure to save them. The next thing is setting up logs, so go back to the resource folder and into the logs section. In the first section, choose what you use for logs, and again, what's supported is in the commented out text. I'm going to use Discord as an example. The next section is for screenshots, which will be false if you're using Discord. Then you have the events to log. I'm going to change them both to true. So you should get one for the safe and the register. Then there are more customization options for the Discord webhook. To get the webhook link, go to Discord and create a channel. I'm just going to call it Store Robbery. Once you've created it, go to Edit Channel, then Integrations, and create the webhook. Once it's created, copy the webhook URL. Then go back and paste it where it says link. Be sure to save it, then start your server and test it out. So I'll go ahead and start robbing the register. Once successful, the alert comes in, and I'm getting the cash. So I got marked bills. And I didn't get the code, so you need to hack the computer. And it tells you the code. So I'll go ahead and unlock the safe. and I got more marked bills. That'll be all for this video. If you enjoyed and it helped you out, please leave a like and a sub. If you need help or have any suggestions, feel free to comment down below or join my Discord. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching.